Hello, hello. I wanted to walk you through taking delivery of my Thunder Laser Nova 51 and the unboxing of it. So here we go. First, it's a big old box. UPS Freight delivered it on a lift gate. I did get the guy to take it down and we hand trucked it into my shop. Here I am using a myriad of pry bars. Oh, that's one of those what do they call that? A vibratory tool, multi-tool. It's got a little saw blade on it. I was using it to cut the nails. You don't have to use that. More pry bar. A whole lot of nails on there. I placed the thing right next to my workbench. Didn't give me much room to work. This machine looks sweet. Wife and dog came to help. Then took off. Seemed like too much work. Comes with a little kit full of everything you need. Blower, tools, hoses, cables. Really don't need anything. Here I am undoing some plywood nails that kind of hold the feet down. But I gotta figure out how to get this thing off the skid. It weighs about 900 pounds. Going through the box while I think about it a little bit. Quick check inside to see if I'm missing anything that might rattle around. Here I am, I'm using a couple of 2x4s. I screw the two 2x4s together to make them a little thicker, slide it under the machine, setting on some 6x6, you could use anything, and then I use two floor jacks to jack the 2x4s up. And what do you know? Able to pull the skid out, but as I lower it down, I realize, oh, the 2x4s are sitting on the jacks. So I go get a big old pry bar, kind of lift the 2x4s up, roll the jacks out, then bring it over, jack up the 2x4, slide the 6x6 out. Use a blower to blow off the shop floor. Next thing you know, we got a laser.